Dear students, in today's lecture we will discuss about endoplasmic reticulum and its structure and its function. Most of the membrane surface that reside inside the cell occurs as endoplasmic reticulum, which is the extensive network of sheet-like membrane structure which is distributed throughout the cytosol. When we view through electron microscope, then ER or endoplasmic reticulum appears to meander throughout the cell. Means it seems that it is spread throughout the cell, and endoplasmic reticulum is mostly abbreviated as ER, and first time this term was coined by scientist Porter. This is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. That internal structure, if we see three-dimensional structure, then you can see that endoplasmic reticulum is a system of flattened tubes and sacs, and however that is continuous between the plasma membrane and the outer membranes of the nuclear envelope. Internal compartments, however, they are separate of the ER, are isolated from the rest of the cytosol or rest of the plasma membrane, but in contact with the spaces which are present between the two membranes of the nuclear envelope. There you can see that there are two different portions of endoplasmic reticulum. This one seems very smooth and this one seems very rough. That rough endoplasmic reticulum is because of the presence of ribosomes which are present all over the surface, and that ribosome is basically involved in the process of protein synthesis. And this smooth surface, which is also known as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and that lacks the ribosomes. And if we talk about the functions of endoplasmic reticulum, as it has the enzymes that catalyze the phospholipid synthesis, this is also involved in the construction of other membranes, and endoplasmic reticulum is also involved in the synthesis of cell wall precursors. And another important function of endoplasmic reticulum is protein synthesis, which is performed on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Thank you.